Social media has changed the business world forever. It is an interactive experience that helps users encounter and engage with your marketing campaigns across multiple platforms. But social media marketing still requires the same core strategy of any successful campaign: serving the right ad to the right audience at the right time. At Bruce Clay Inc., we offer social media marketing services to design and manage ads across all the major platforms, including Meta, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, and more. First, our marketing experts help you develop a social media campaign strategy for your business. We carefully evaluate your needs and target audience while recommending the social media platforms and ad types that will give you the best ROI. We focus on promoting your brand and tailor advertising to meet your goals. Whether it's to gain leads, subscribers, or sales, we can target your campaign effectively to get the best results. Anybody can simply promote a social media post, but a true advertising strategy takes planning and follow through, and for the best results, the expertise of qualified professionals. Our experienced PPC experts can help you develop and execute social media campaigns that reach new audiences and generate ROI for your business. So if you want experts to help build your social media presence, contact us today at bruceclay.com for a free consultation.